Hi everyone, so let's do today's daily lead code challenge question. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Okay, let's read the question. Find champion 2. There are I'm streaming, yes. There are n teams numbered from okay. There are n teams numbered from 0 to n-1 in a tournament. Each team is also a node in a DAG. What does this mean? N teams in a tournament, and each team is also a node in a DAG. What does that mean? 0 to n-1 means 0, 1, 2. Suppose there are 3 teams, then it will be 0, 1, 2. You are also given the integer n, so I will be given n and ages. Okay, and a 0 indexed to the array ages of length m representing the DAG. Okay, so 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay, because if this is the team, then age can be, it can point to anything, right? 0 can point to 0 could also have been pointing to, but no, here 0 is pointing 1 and 1 is pointing to, where indicates that there is a directed age from team UI to team BI in the graph. A directed age from A to B graph means that A is stronger than team B and B is weaker than team A. Okay, so it means 0 is weak, this is stronger, so this means this can win over 1, right? So team A will be champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than team A. Okay, return the team that will be champion of the tournament if there is a unique champion, otherwise return -1 if there is a unique champion. Okay, got it. So it means 0 will beat 1, 1 will beat 2, so it means 0 will be the answer, right? A cycle is a series of nodes such that AI is the same as node an plus 1, and there is directed is from AI to a DAG is a directed graph that does not have any cycle. Okay, so so DAG, it means that it is a directed. Oh, I think this is an easy question, right? It's been a long time that I've not done a graph question, but it seems easy. But looking at this too, I feel like this must have some difficulty, because it is level 2, right? And level 2 is always difficult than level 1. So though this problem looks simple, maybe there is some use cases or something. So here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0 will be 2, 1 will be 2, 1 will be 3. There is no any winner, isn't it? Because here we can see 1 will be 2 and 3. I'm getting a lot of hiccups. So here we can see 1 will be 2 and 3. 1, I need to drink water just a second. So yeah, here we can see 2 is also defeated, 3 is also something that's defeated, and 0 and 1, they are not defeated, right? They are undefeated. They are not, I mean 0 and 1, nothing has both are undefeated, 0 and 1. It means that it is -1. Yeah, see, team 1 and team 2 are not weaker, so we need to so I think that here in this question we need to find the team which does not have any arrow, which is undefeated. And if there is just one team, then we'll just return 1. But if there are more than one team, then it means there is no any champion, because they are on equal level. So yeah, 1 and 100 m is equal to, is this the length, this is the input generated in strong B, the input generated was that strong B, then is okay. Got it. So I don't think I understood the question. Uh, so my first intuition is to just find find teams which are undefeated. If there are if there is just one team, then return that. Otherwise, return -1. Okay, so that is my first intuition. Uh, what are the other ways? I don't know. What are the other ways to find this? No, I don't know. I don't know yet. But let's think. 0, 1, 2, 3. So, so I'm streaming. Okay. So, what are the other ways to find this? I cannot see any other ways to find to know that. So 1 is also defeated, 2 is also defeated, 0 is the only one that is not defeated here. Yeah, I think that is the easiest way. So how can we do that? We just have to find make a graph, right? So here 0 and 2. So by looking at this, 0 is 0 bits 2, 1 bit 3, and 1 bits 2 as well. Okay, so just by looking at these edges, I can just build a graph like this, right? So 0 will be 2, 1 will be 2 and 3, and actually from this, can I make actually reverse graph? Instead of this graph, instead of loser to winner graph, map, because this is 0 is loser, and oh no, instead of winner to loser graph, what I can do is I can just make, instead of this I can just make loser to winner graph, right? That way I will know all the losers, because if I make winner to loser graph, then I will know, okay, this is winner and this is winner. But 0 and 1, I know that okay, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3. But they said that it will not be cyclical. I was thinking, can I just so here 0 is beating 1 and 1 is beating 2. Yeah, so just by looking at the winner, right, we cannot find. So winner to loser graph will give us list of winners. Right? But we need loser to winner graph to get list of losers, yeah, because winner to loser graph will give us list of winners. So but if we just know, so here see 0 and 1 are winners, right? But just looking at list of winners, we will not know which one is the ultimate champion. But if we get the list of losers, then we will know which one is the ultimate champion. So if we get the list of losers, then so here 2 is lost by 0, and 3 is lost by 1, 2 is lost by 1. 2 is yeah, right? 2 by 0, 2 by 1, and 3 by 1. So if we get the list of losers 2 and 3, right? So it means that whichever node is not in this list, that is the answer. So once we if we have list of all the losers, then whichever is not loser is the champion, but only if list of losers will each equal to n minus 1. Okay, otherwise if it is not, then it will be minus 1, because if list of losers is less than n minus 1, then it means that there are there are so many undefeated nodes. Okay, then let's code. So first I need to get list of the losers. So for let I is equal to, for constant winner loser of ages, let loser set is equal to new set, and loser set dot add loser, right? So if I keep on adding loser on the loser set, then I will have 2 and 3 here. So if loser set dot size, if it is less than n minus 1, okay, if it is less than n minus 1, then I can just return minus 1 immediately. Dot size, right? Function dot size. Okay, because it means that if it is less than n minus 1, so here the loser set is 2, right? So it is less than 3, because if there were one champion, then loser's size will be n minus 1. So if it is less than n minus 1, then it means n minus 1. Otherwise, if it is greater than n minus 1, which means if it is n minus 1 or n, if it is n, then actually if it is n, then it means everybody is a loser. I don't think that is possible, right? Because ages.length will be m. Oh, and m can be 0 as well. So everyone can be loser. So in that case also, so only if it is not equal to n minus 1, I will do that. But if it is n minus 1, then it means there is one winner, right? So in that case I can just do what is a way to find a number which is not in a set, because the set will be 1 2 3 4, right? So if the set contains 1 2 4 5, then what is a way to know that 3 is not here? I don't know, but there is one way. let I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and if loser dot set has I, if it does not have I, then this is the answer, right? Whichever is not in the set. node is not in the loser set? That is the answer. So we'll run from I0 to n, and if it does not have, then that is the answer. Wow, this was an easy question actually. Why is it a medium? In degree count. What does in degree count mean? I don't even know what in degree count means. Yeah, to be honest, this one is easy. That's true. Uh, I don't know, like it's been such a long time since I have solved graph problem, so I do not know what in degree means. Looks like in degree means they are saving the count for in degree of each team. It is similar, right? Because if it is in degree, then uh, in degree means how many team has, you know. So for whichever node in degree is 0, it means that is the winner, you know. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, that is this is also a good idea. So I can just store, like, for every node I can just store, like, how many team has, how many teams have I been defeated with. So 2 has been defeated with 2 teams, 3 has been defeated 1 team, 1 has been defeated by 0 team, 0 has been defeated by 0 team. So all the teams that have been defeated by 0 team, they are the winners. But instead of that, I can just, instead of finding how many team has won over me, I can just do like this also. This is also a simple way, but this is also one way, and this is also good way to just keep the count of count of in degree for all the nodes, and to just keep the count of how many teams has won over me for all the nodes, and then just return whichever has 0. Yeah, this is also a great idea actually. Yep. How many teams? We still have 1 minute and 49 seconds. I feel like this is a complex solution though. Okay guys, thank you everyone. Bye. Okay. I still want to sit until 50 seconds because normally I always try to um, solve for 20 minutes. What is Fine Champion 1? I thought that because this is label 2 question, I thought that this was hard. Oh, this is even easier actually. Yeah, okay. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.